Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Friday, March 8th, 2013. Here's a look at this morning's weather map. High pressure extends from eastern Canada southward right across the upper Great Lakes region in Ohio Valley. And a big storm system is off the east coast, which has been pulling moisture back off the Atlantic and into parts of the mid-Atlantic and New England states. That storm system will keep the pattern bottled up for a couple of days with the area of high pressure that is over us this morning, moving very slowly to the east, just making it into the lower Great Lakes by Saturday morning. So it's going to have control over the weather of northern Michigan for at least a good 24 to 36 hours. So a quiet period is in store the next couple of days. There'll be some clouds around, especially this morning, but then we'll see many areas will see a fair bit of sun today, and temperatures should be several degrees above normal for the first week of March. Looking upstream, there is a cold front that is developing across the central part of the country with a couple areas of low pressure developing along it, and that is going to be the next weather maker for northern Michigan as we head into the second half of the weekend. Here's the forecast map by Sunday morning. We see that cold front will be located across parts of upper Michigan and eastern Wisconsin, and there should be a fair bit of precipitation ahead of that cold front. And most of the precipitation will probably fall as rain. There could be a little bit of freezing rain at the onset late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, depending on what surface temperatures are. There may be some more in the way of snow as you get into the eastern upper peninsula. But it does look like enough warm air coming up ahead of that cold front will allow precipitation to fall mainly as liquid during the day on Sunday. The cold front will then move slowly to the east. Should be mostly through northern Michigan by Monday morning, and that will change any precipitation over to some snowfall as cold air moves back into the upper Great Lakes region. Here's a 3-day precipitation total forecast. This runs from 7 a.m. Friday morning until 8 a.m. Monday. And we see generally a quarter to a half inch or a little bit more than that depicted over this 3-day period. And again, most of this precipitation will be falling during the day on Sunday and Sunday night. As you see, some of the heavier precipitation extends farther to the south, down into the Ohio and Tennessee river valleys. Again, precipitation type issues will be something of a concern heading into this event with a nice surge of warm air coming up ahead of that cold front. But really, from a hazards perspective, there isn't a whole lot expected the next couple of days. We'll watch the precipitation type issue as we head into Sunday, and precipitation should change over back to all snow showers by Monday as temperatures cool off just a bit. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.